English review. Mhm. And what were we talking? The very first thing, it's like what type of paper are we writing? It's a 5 paragraph, right? Argumentative essay. So what is the difference between argumentative and expository informative?
In an argumentative essay, you are attempting to convince someone of your point of view with facts and logic. In an expository essay, you're just providing information about a subject.
Very good, perfect. Nice, nice. Persuade your audience by means of logic. So when we are talking about logic, right, it's something that you have read, is your stand, is your position, and your position, it's all over the paper, but especially in the heart of your paper, which is called the argumentative thesis statement. Something that we were going over in this course, particularly because you can, guys, it's about introducing some APA elements. So when we are providing data, we are citing somebody else's ideas. We need to introduce that in the in-text, okay? Preferable incorporated in the text, okay? So the heart of our essay is the argumentative thesis statement, and as a recap, I'm just going to show here what are the 7 guidelines. Please, do you have your 7 guidelines nearby? Can you read them?
I can.
You can read them. Number 1
One main idea.
is a single idea, okay? Number 2 is the author's
Well-reasoned
claim.
claim.
So that's what we're talking about, is our stand, correct? Number 3,
Not just an
announce.
announcement,
Okay, so it's not an announcement. And number 4,
not a question.
it's not a question. Okay, I'm going to stop here because all these 7 guidelines that we're going over, they apply to our topic sentences as well. So we do not want to start a topic sentence with a question either. Okay? Only in the introduction we can add a question. Only on the hook and on the closer, because I'm going to challenge my reader. But, okay, we continue. One main idea, authors will claim your stand, not just a simple announcement, not a question. Number 5,
Vigorous statement.
vigorous, powerful. How do we make it powerful? Do you remember some?
Words, necessary.
Very good. Modal verbs, must, needs to, have to, adding certain adverbs as well. Absolutely, for instance, it is absolutely necessary or mandatory. Imperative, right? That type of adjectives, adverbs, or use of modal verbs that are going to add strength to our thesis statement. Now I go with the length. Can you see? Can you read here?
No.
Neither to,
Not broad.
yeah. Neither too broad nor too narrow. Okay? That was example of the traffic light there between Alakay and Britannia turns red too quickly. First of all, if I'm saying too quickly, yeah, that's argumentative. It's not a question, okay? But I'm going to barely be able to write more than 2 paragraphs. That's it. How can we extend that idea? So traffic lights in downtown are the main source of traffic jams in the city of Honolulu, for instance. When it's too broad, the example, do you remember one example about education?
Education in America is failing.
Yeah, but and that was saying elementary school and kindergarten, elementary school, secondary, high school, and then like PhD level, everything, right? So how could we narrow that example?
Hawaiian education system in middle schools is failing.
Very good. Well, you choose one, you are going to what we were talking about here. Be more specific. Something I want to recommend you as a reminder, short and sweet. Okay, SS, short and sweet. And number 7, can you
Supportable.
supportable. Basically, I'm going to go back into the APA, okay? APA, we are relying on the experts. We want this to be supportable, okay? Whatever we are saying, we can back up our stand, okay? Head of our paper, thesis statement. Very good.